Hey traders from around the world, welcome to the Wall of Knowledge. It's me, Jeremy Alexander Newsome with reallifetrading.com. I hope everyone's doing sensational. As you know, it's a brand new month, and with a new month comes a new challenge. This is the life part of real life trading. I want to give you a challenge that just enriches the lives of your family and the lives of those around you. It's Friends Month here at Real Life Trading in February. So every single month we have a theme and we have a challenge. So Friends Month is going to be February 2018. The challenge that you are going to have upon you for this particular month, I'm going to give you three. The first one is going to be pretty easy. I want you to write a handwritten letter to one of your friends. Woo! Handwritten letter. Oh boy. You get a pen or get like ink and like parchment, maybe like one of those feathers from a bird, and you're gonna write a letter. If you want to do a wax seal, that's up to you. But write a handwritten letter to one of your friends. That's challenge number one. Challenge number two is I want you to find one of your friends that has kids and go babysit those kids or children for the night and or the day, whatever your time allows, so that those friends of yours, parents, can go out and have a date night. That's gonna be challenge number two. Me and Ashley are just going through the Rolodex, so to speak, because all of our friends have kids and babies. We're just like, who's it gonna be? So if you're watching this and you're one of my friends that have kids, it might be you. We'll see. And the third final challenge is gonna be a fun and also very easy one. I want you to make a new friend in the sector that you decide to choose. What the heck does that mean? Well, for example, if you want to get better at stock trading, find a new friend who is really good at stock trading. If you want to get better at real estate, find a friend in the real estate environment sector. If you want to create your own business, find a business owner. Go make a new friend for this month, but someone specifically who is where you might want to be, and have them help pull you up to where it is that you want to go. So if it's fitness, right? You want to be better at fitness, go find someone at the gym who's in phenomenal shape, a good personal trainer, a workout colleague, and become friends with that person. If you are, and probably most of you will choose traders, of course, you want to find a new trader, go on our Slack channel. For those who subscribe to either the morning and afternoon room, you have access to Slack. Hop in and just meet someone new. There might be some traders in your area that you can team up with and learn new things. So go find a friend, because as you know, proximity is power, as Jim Rohn and Tony Robbins would say. And there's also other passages and other books and things that say bad association spoils useful habits, but also good association makes for exponential growth. All I can say is, if you want to be fabulously rich, go hang out with a bunch of fabulously rich people. If you want to be incredibly good at stock trading, go hang out with people who are really good at stock trading. If you want to be a good poker player, go hang out with people who are phenomenal at poker. So go find a new friend in a sector that you want to get better at, whatever that is, whatever part of your life it is. Those are your three challenges for the month. I want you to do it. Keep me posted if you have any questions. I'm going to be doing it for sure. Finding new friends has always come easy for me. The handwriting part and the babysitting part, that's going to be the fun challenge. You guys rock. I'll see you later. Until next time. Bye.